In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update GST rates for your items in Zoho Books and Zoho Inventory. This process may seem a bit complex at first, but with clear instructions, you'll have your GST rates updated in no time. Let's dive in and explore each step carefully. To begin, you'll want to start in Zoho Books. Locate the Items tab, which you'll find on the left sidebar. This is where all your inventory items are stored and managed. It's important to ensure you're in the right place before moving on to the next step. Now, open Zoho Inventory and make your way to the Items section. You'll find it by navigating to Items and then selecting the Items option again. Next, you'll need to export the current list of items. Look for what's commonly referred to as the hamburger menu or the More icon. This menu often looks like 3 stacked lines or dots. Click on it and search for the option that allows you to export your items. Once you've clicked this, the system will generate a downloadable file containing all the details about your inventory items. This is the file you'll be updating. Now, it's time to open the spreadsheet you've just downloaded. This file holds all your item details, including the current GST rates. Your task here is to identify the items whose GST rates you wish to update, and then proceed to adjust the GST rate percentage as needed. This part can be a bit intricate, especially if you're dealing with a large inventory, so take your time to ensure all the changes are accurate. Once you've made all necessary updates, make sure to save the file. With your updated spreadsheet ready, head back to where you started, which is the Items module. This time, instead of exporting, you will be looking to re-import the updated list. Find the option to import the file, which is typically found in the same area where you initially exported the items. Click on this import option and then choose your updated spreadsheet to upload. As you proceed with the import, you'll encounter a prompt regarding duplicate handling. This step is crucial to ensure your updated GST rates overwrite the existing records correctly. You'll want to select the overwrite option when prompted. This action ensures that the modifications you've made to the GST rates in the spreadsheet will replace the current data in your system. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the GST rates for your items in Zoho Books and Zoho Inventory. This method is efficient and ensures your inventory reflects the most current tax rates. If you need to revisit any of these steps, feel free to watch this video again. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.